Officer Val Johnson was traveling down this rural Marshall County road early Monday night after completing his shift. He was headed to his home in Oslo, Minnesota, when all of a sudden he spotted a bright light coming from that stand of trees. All of a sudden his brakes locked, and he heard breaking glass. Then Officer Johnson's car skidded 88 feet along Highway 220. He was unconscious for 40 minutes. When he awoke, his eyes burned, and he radioed for help.
Something just hit my car. I don't know how to explain it. Strange. Something attacked my car.
Whatever attacked Johnson's car shattered the front windshield, broke a headlight and an emergency light, and put a small dent in the hood. It also bent 2 flexible antennas. The clock in his patrol car and his wristwatch stopped for 14 minutes. And Johnson suffered what doctors described as welder's burns to his eyes.
It was painfully bright when it engulfed my vehicle. It was painfully bright because I remember I closed my eyes very quickly, and it was still very painful. And from that point on until 2:19 a.m., I've made no radio transmission, and I cannot remember a thing. I just had an experience which had no logical explanation. I was taken by surprise by whatever it was. My eyes hurt. My whole front part of my face hurt from the brilliant light, and I had a bump on the head.
At this point, no one knows what Officer Johnson saw that night, but whatever it was, it will probably be the subject of conversation and investigation for some time to come. In Marshall County, Minnesota, Joe Casella for NBC News.